So hey everyone, this is Sketchware and welcoming in another video. So in this video, we'll talk about our next project, which is Skeigo, or this is based on a Twitter application. So basically, you can see I have opened the Sketchware and here it is the Skeigo new update. So who created this application? I don't know much about him or her, but this application based on Android support 4, so it means this application is older than your expectations. So you cannot expect more like your video call or anything else, but this application create much more written in its contemporary timing. So you can see it's the Skeigo News. Skeigo News, it's based on like a Twitter application. So basically you can easily manage and you can message multiple. So let me give you a quick demonstration by opening this application. So let me search from here. So this is the application, and you can see this is the animation. It's a floating animation. It's on top of the logo basically, and you can see it's a matlab it's a seamless interface. Here you can see the news update, moments and feature videos. So it's a like a minimal application, but you can see this is not a view pager or not recycle view, because it's created like in 2020 or 2021 something. It's an old version. So you for swiping this, you need to go for the finger touch. You can see it's a go for the moments, feature video, like that. And you can go for the this notification, the loading animation is also good. And you get this project free. For this, you just need to subscribe this video. And I want to announce and let you know something, that how you can download this project, because I didn't mention it earlier. So for downloading this project, first you need to go for the below link there, then you'll get redirected to the blogger my page, and there you can read about this one, like this how it working and which things or features you will get with this project. And then after that you will go like something. This is not working like that, so let me open again. And then you for downloading this project, you need to go for the some links, which is basically a Google form link, and you need to follow some questions answer criteria. Then you get redirect to the Telegram, and you can download this project. It's a huge process, but I have created this all for my channel to if you have not subscribed this channel, so basically it means like you don't have any respect for my channel and my work. So that's why you don't deserve this project. So make sure you subscribe this, follow our Instagram. And you can go for the profile manager. You can see their loading option. You can also compose the article by clicking this article over there. You can see it's a full-fledged application. You can go for this. You can easily press on to upload, tag, anything you can do. You can visit it, you can search, you can type different thing. So this is the whole application. You get everything. It doesn't require any one sale or any libraries, any components, because it's based on the Android support 4, which is converted and fully fixed by me or Noshi. You can simply go for the Firebase. You can change everything. You will get changed by these things. You don't need any blocks for this. This is a light application. It's almost like 7 to 8 MB. So that's all for this video. So this is the Skeigo update, and you'll get like you can create this application. You can modify the upload this, because it's an old one and I don't know who created this application. So you are free to do whatever you like, but I fixed it. So you must credit me on your about section about me. So that's it for the video. So if you need this project, you must follow those steps. Like you first subscribe this channel, you first go for the Instagram and follow the page, and go for the form to fill up the answers for our first video, the 30 minutes, the first Okify video. If you didn't have or yet to have watched this video, please watch it carefully. You'll need to submit 5 questions answer to the Google form, and then that form will be get evaluated by me, and I will give you that project to your registered email address. So thank you for watching. That's all for this video. I hope you like this video. If you do, please hit the notification and subscribe. And to show you that it doesn't give you any error, so I'm now giving the compilation process, so it's not deleting the temporary files, and it will give you that it is now working, not have any issues. So it's a proof and you can easily use it. So let me wait, and that's all for this. So you can see it's completely working and dx is running, so it means it will compile. So thank you for watching.